There are hundreds of indicators out there, but is the Autotrend system actually worth using in your trading strategy? The Autotrend system claims to simplify trend direction by automatically drawing buy or sell signals based on price action and momentum. It looks clean: red for downtrends, green for uptrends, and alerts when breakouts or reversals are likely. If you're a beginner or intermediate trader, this can reduce guesswork. You don't need to memorize 10 different patterns, it visualizes the trend for you. But here's the catch: it doesn't predict, it reacts. That means in fast moving markets, signals may come slightly late. It is best used with volume indicators or as confirmation, not the sole basis of your trades. It works well on TradingView, integrates with most chart setups, and includes adjustable sensitivity. But if you're expecting a miracle tool, it's not that. Use AutoTrend if you want a visual edge, but combine it with solid risk management and backtesting. This is how to literally. Again, AutoTrend system is a tool, not a magic wand.